Hey guys, back again today showing you how to write ad copy in Google Ads that is going to get you more clicks and more conversions. It's going to increase your click-through rate, increase your conversion rate, increase your ROAS, and just your revenue overall. It really is an important feature in writing Google Ads, and it's something that probably not enough people talk about. So I want to dive into absolutely everything when it comes to understanding how to write good ad copy in any case for any industry selling any kind of products or services. If you don't know who I am, my name is Max. I run Crakanthorp Digital, where we generate millions of dollars of revenue for our clients using Google Ads and YouTube ads. And I'm currently offering free audits. So if you have a business and you want to know how to make more money with Google Ads, feel free to click the link down below, schedule a free call with me. I'll go through and give you a full strategy plan and audit for free. But let's get right into the content. So I'll just shoot this down for you. We can see that we're starting with the fundamentals of ad writing. So we're going to start with the fundamentals and then move into some specific strategies that you guys can use in your ad copy. But these are the two big things that I find are very important and most frequently overlooked when it comes to fundamentals of ads. First of all, you've got emotion evoking copy. So you want to be writing copy that makes people feel something. You want to be writing copy that makes people want to do something, right? If you write really uninspiring, bland copy, people are going to see your ad and they're not going to feel any compulsion to click the ad. And they're going to look at it and they're going to be bored, right? What you can do is instead make the ad copy extremely emotive. Now, the biggest thing to think about when you're doing this, the biggest benefit you will get and the biggest lever you can pull is selling the benefits, not the product. So if you're selling, for example, skincare products, you want to sell the clear skin. You want to sell the acne reduction. You want to sell the looking beautiful, looking your best self, right? You don't want to sell this contains phenylalanine or whatever, right? You don't want to sell the ingredients or the product or the parts of the product. You really want to sell the benefit of the product in your ads. You need to sell the dream to people. No one's going to click on an ad just because of something that's in the skin serum. They're going to click the ad because of the results they can gain from the skin serum. So that's just one example, but you need to use this no matter what you're selling, whether it's a product or a service, always sell the benefit. Make people think about their dreams and make them understand that you can help them reach those dreams with whatever you're selling. So sell the benefits, not the product. Always remember that. You can also induce emotion by creating urgency. So things like limited time sale, limited time offers, whatever it may be, to create urgency, or perhaps only taking on a certain number of clients, selling a certain number of products, whatever it takes to make people feel emotion, right? So there's an emotion of feeling like they're going to miss out, and that is FOMO down here, right? Fear of missing out. So you can create FOMO by showing results from other people. So in the example of the skincare products, right, showing results that someone has achieved with skin clarity. So showing how someone's cleared up their blemishes or moved to a better skin state. That's an example of showing the customer something that might create FOMO. Now, that is an example. Those are a few examples of how you can evoke emotion, the biggest of which always being selling the benefits, not the product. Another important fundamental is matching buyer intent. So your ad needs to create resounding relevance with what they're looking for. For example, if you have specific keywords in the ad copy, things that they might be searching. So if someone's searching for how to clear skin in 5 days, you want to have a specific trigger word that's going to show them automatic relevance, right? So using the keyword, which is clear skin, in your ad copy is going to immediately make them realize, okay, this is definitely relevant to me. This is exactly what I'm looking for. It has the exact words that I'm searching in that ad. And this can be very powerful because they immediately realize that this is what they want and it's going to solve their problem. Images as well can also hack buyer psychology. Keywords and images, both of which together. So when you show someone an image of, for example, the end result that they're looking for, the clear skin, it's going to make them automatically recognize in their brain, completely psychologically, subconsciously rather, they're immediately going to realize that this is a relevant solution, a relevant ad, and a relevant product. It's exactly what they're looking for and it's what they need, and they're probably going to click through. And in the same time, it's also increasing your conversion rate in that it makes them realize it's a product that they probably want to buy. And then finally, as well, matching the knowledge and funnel level of the buyer. So if someone is in early stages of purchasing, early stages of the funnel, for example, they're still searching for how to clear skin, right? You don't know if they want a skincare product or if they want a home remedy or if they want a washing routine. It could be anything, right? So that's very top of funnel. Whereas if someone searches for skin serum, hyaluronic acid, or whatever it may be, right? Very specific product name, even a brand name, that's bottom of funnel, right? And you need to match your ad copy to whatever stage of the funnel they're in. If it's more top of funnel, you might want to represent more benefits, more of an advertorial style, trying to explain why they should go with you. Whereas if it's bottom of funnel, it should be very straight to the point, promoting the product, showing you it's right here, you can get it from us. So that is basically how you can match buyer intent. Keep in mind, always when writing ad copy, you are writing emotion invoking copy and you are matching buyer intent. Two big ones there. Now, specific strategies. This is the stuff you can implement and action immediately with some examples that I've picked for you guys as well down below. First of all, you want to be having a major benefit in your ads and USPs, right? Now, what this means is typically I'd say pick one major benefit to outline. So one major advantage of your product, USP, or benefit, right? So in the case of skincare, it may be eco-friendly, right? Here's an example. So it may be like you're highlighting the fact that your brand is eco-friendly and sustainable. And that could be a advantage over your competitors. So you need to identify and state your advantage over your competitors. And that is as well a unique selling proposition, right? So basically finding the parts of your brand that are unique and going to encourage a purchase in comparison to a different brand, you need to highlight them in your ad. Always pick one, don't give them too many. If there are too many in one ad, it's going to confuse a buyer and it's not going to be as relevant and targeted. So pick one benefit and focus on that in the ad. Now, you can have other ads with different benefits, but just in an individual ad, focus on one. And some examples, like I said, eco-friendly. You might want to promote the fact that your brand is sustainable. Premium materials, right? These are pretty weak examples. They're not the strongest things ever, but they're just examples of it in use, right? So premium materials, that's something that's used often, probably overused. So you'd want to try and find something a little bit more unique there. If you're using a product such as a cognitive enhancer supplement, something like X% productivity increase, that's a big benefit of the product for sure. So finding a major benefit and USP and outlining that in your ad is going to be very helpful. Second of all, creating an undeniable offer. So you need to create an outstanding offer that differentiates you from the competition. Make your product seem like a no-brainer purchase. Now, this is like Alex Hormozi $100 million offers, if you've ever heard of that. But basically, creating something where someone looks at it and goes, this is too good to be true, right? They think it's fantastic, well, in a good way, right? It is true. But an offer so good that they can't say no. Some examples. These, again, are very basic examples, but an offer like buy one, get one free, percentage discount, satisfaction guarantee, or free gifts. Highlighting these things in your ads is very, very likely to increase your click-through rate and your conversion rate because you're highlighting those unique advantages, unique offers, and things, again, that other competitors, other ads showing aren't going to have. Big one there for increasing CTR and conversion rate. And then finally, you also have social proof, major key. Now, social proof is another fantastic way to increase your click-through rate and your conversion rate simultaneously. When it comes to ad copy, having things in there that show other people have already achieved the result that you're looking for is very likely to give them more trust, right? So building more trust with your customers by showing that other people endorse your product. And then additionally, your social proof is very likely to reinforce your stated USPs, benefits, and advantages. So if you are showcasing, for example, reviews within your ad, so it might be like a brief headline saying with an excerpt from a customer review, it's a very good chance that they'll probably be talking about one of your major benefits. So I don't know, going back to the skincare example, again, it's basic, but I love their sustainability, right? It's a basic example, but having basically a way to show that other people are really appreciating the benefits and USPs of your brand is going to help reinforce those concepts in their mind. So here are a few examples for you that you can use in your ad copy to increase your CTR and conversion rate with social proof. Reviews and testimonials, that's the biggest one and the clearest one. Very easy to put in. You can put in short excerpts or star reviews. That's another one you can put in there. You can say rated 4.8 stars on Trustpilot, something like that. Number of satisfied customers is a common one. So they might say 3,000 plus satisfied, happy customers, right, in the ad copy. It works pretty well often because, again, builds a lot of trust. Another one that's not as common, but I do think works very well if, of course, it's legitimate, authority endorsements. I mean, for an example, like a skincare brand, if you were to say in your ad copy, loved by Kendall Jenner, all right, whatever it may be, very likely to, again, increase your trust and click-through rate because people realize that, wow, okay, authority figures, celebrities, whatever it may be, love your products and they'll probably love it too. So those are the main strategies that you can implement specifically to increase your ad copy performance and quality. And always keep in mind the fundamentals that I outlined at the beginning of the video too. This is basically a framework for creating your ads. And in future videos, I'll give you guys some more in-depth examples of how to create the ads and also how to write specific copy. Might even do some live copy walkthroughs. And that will be very helpful for you. So if you want to see more content like this, more stuff on Google Ads, how to make more money with Google Ads, just drop a sub down below. And if you have a business and you want to make more money with Google Ads, whether you're running them already or not, please book a call with me down below. I will give you a completely free audit and strategy plan just to help out your business and no strings attached. I think it will be very helpful for you. That's all for me today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.